Right, so here's a question, and it's one that I get asked all the time. And the question is, how do I get brilliant sound from a tall and good-looking speaker without spending an arm and a leg? And my answer is always the same, you know. I say you have to buy a pair of Acoustics 3050i loudspeakers. Now, here's a box, and it has inside it one Acoustics 3050i loudspeaker. So I'm going to open it so we can all have a look. That is everything, so I may as well just get rid of this box now. This speaker has been unboxed. Right, well, let's see what we've got in here. Accessories, it says, which is generally almost as exciting as the thing itself. So, a plinth, some screws, some spikes, and an Allen key. That really ought to be everything. Let's make sure. Right, so in here should be everything we need to get this speaker standing upright, including some rubber covers for the spikes in case your floor is more precious than mine is. So there's a couple of screws which are going to hold this foot on. Foot is attached. Now we just need to put the spikes into each corner so that the speaker stays nicely isolated from the floor and nice and stable on the floor at the same time. And when I've got all four of these in, I'm then going to put their little rubber feet on, because I'll let you into a secret, this isn't my floor. I'm going to take its bag off. So, the grille is held on magnetically, which is nice because it means the whole baffle has no screw holes or anything like that. It's a nice, clean look. The mid-bass drivers are 165mm each, and the decoupled soft dome tweeter is a 22mm device. Now, if you haven't seen the video that we made unboxing a Concept 500 loudspeaker, you'll get to that, of course. It's thoroughly entertaining, but there is a lot of trickle-down technology from the 500, which is a far more expensive loudspeaker than this, and that has all been applied into the 3050i. So what you're getting really for quite an affordable price is a lot of technology, a lot of engineering expertise that originated in a speaker that costs a lot more money than this. Well, around the back of the 3050i's, it's not absolutely as interesting as the front, but it's nevertheless worth discussing. So down towards the bottom of the cabinet here, there's an extremely generous bass reflex port, which can be bunged using the bung that came in the box. Either way, you can see there's going to be quite a lot of air movement from a port of that diameter, and the closer you get to a rear wall with that, the more you're going to reinforce the low frequencies and the bigger and bassier sound you will get. And then towards the bottom of the cabinet are these speaker binding posts. Q Acoustics like a low profile post because it allows you to put the speaker closer to the wall. They'll still take a 4mm banana plug though. And then there's a little tag saying that these were designed and voiced using QED speaker cable. You could do a lot worse. So that's the Q Acoustics 3050i. It's a floor-standing loudspeaker that's specified and engineered like a far more expensive product. You can take my word for that, but if you want more information about the 3050i or any of the other speakers in the Q Acoustics range, just visit the Q Acoustics website.